When you must wear a respirator to protect yourself against airborne contaminants in your workplace, it is very important to follow the proper procedures for putting it on and taking it off. The process of putting on and taking off your respirator is also known as donning and doffing. Properly donning, doffing, and conducting a user seal check for a half facepiece elastomeric respirator, also known as a half mask, is essential to wearing a respirator. A user seal check is a way to determine that the respirator has been properly positioned on your face to assure a proper seal. A user seal check is not a substitute for a user fit test, which is a more detailed process that uses a test agent or instrument to verify the fit of the respirator. It is critical that you not have any facial hair, beard, or other physical characteristics that may prevent direct contact between the face and the sealing surface of the respirator. The first thing you want to do is inspect the respirator itself. Make sure you check the respirator to make sure that the straps are in good condition, that they're pliable, they stretch and bounce back when you let go. You want to look at the exhalation valve to make sure it's in place. Next, inspect the inside of the respirator to make sure that the inhalation valves that are on both sides are soft, pliable, and lying flat, not crumpled up. It's also important after washing to make sure that they're lying flat and don't dry crisp in the wrong spot, so be sure to check both valves on both sides. Next, you want to make sure that the filters are appropriate for what you want to use them for. Not all respirators are meant for the same task or filters for the same particles. Once you have the proper filter, make sure they're securely in place. Again, an important thing to remember is before you use your respirator, you have to be fit tested with that respirator. And as part of that fit test, you should not have any facial hair that would interfere with the face seal or where the respirator fits around your face. Even a day's worth of growth or stubble could be enough to cause interference. Now, let's properly don the respirator. Note if you wear glasses, you want to take them off before you try to don the respirator. Now that your face is clear, set the respirator up against your chin. Then pull the top strap over your head and tighten the top strap. Next, hook the neck strap and then go ahead and tighten those straps. Once you have the respirator firmly in place, you'll want to do a fit check. Here we will show a negative fit check, first by covering the filter cartridges and slightly inhaling. Then you will do a positive fit check by covering the exhalation valve, which is down here, and then slightly exhaling. You're checking for any leakage around the face seal. If you feel any leakage, you want to take the mask off, tighten the straps, and repeat the steps. Once the SafetyWorks respirator is firmly in place and passes the fit test, you're ready to perform the task at hand.